The previous floor was starting to look tired, and we were worried about infection control issues, and frankly it didn't look very good, so we wanted to look warm, we wanted to look homely, so we knew we needed to make a change.
We've used Altro Adhesive-free floors for about 4 or 5 years now. The look of the product is fantastic. It's very sort of homely, complements the premises that we are installing the floors into.
We love the new floor because it's easy to clean, reduces the noise of the place, but mostly it's welcoming, it's homely, so it fits how we want to look.
We've not got harsh adhesives causing problems with people with breathing difficulties. The installation is a lot quicker, and the acoustic value is absolutely brilliant.
You've got all the benefits of a product not using those, quite heavy odoured adhesives within installations. So in areas like care homes, hospitals, anywhere where you've got sensitive end users that could potentially be affected by that.
It has gone down in a day. And that, for somebody who's running an operation, looking after people with high levels of care needs, it's just made the day so much easier.
The product and installation was great. It went in really quick. We're not waiting for glues to sort of cure before laying.
A lot of feedback we've had from customers is that the Express Lay product was fantastic. It saved them a lot of money, it's quick, it's easy to install, but they wanted it in a wood effect, so we've taken that on board, and that's why we've launched the Wood Adhesive-free now.
Yes, we will definitely use this product again. We want something that's going to keep the same look, and we want something that's going to meet our hygiene requirements, so all of those were critical for us.
Altro's technical service is second to none. We use it quite often as a contract for peace of mind, and as a surveyor and sort of technical from our company, makes my job a lot easier.